Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and right now I will show you how to create animations like an Vox style. So we have 4 Photoshop layers. Let's hide all layers. First, head inside and object, full body and head. Okay, so in this time select is head, link to layer and object, and inside link to also the layer, and create new background. Right mouse, new and solid layer, add the name background and change color like this. Click OK, click OK again, move to behind and select this background layer. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, change name grid and go to FS presses, search effect grid, select grid. Let's use for layer grid, and we can change color here like this. Click OK and change size from width slider, change slider like this. Okay, and go to shape layers, hold this icon, select ellipse tool and let's hold shift, make one ellipse. Click selection tool and go to fill. Let's select color like this, click OK and change name red. Move to behind these layers and go to window, enable align, click this and this icon for move the object to center, and let's move to down a little bit. Okay, so select this layer, move to center. Alright, so let's select this red layer, press P and go to here, make new passing keyframe and go to first second, move to down. Select this layer, press P, go to 1 second, make new passing keyframe, go to back and move to down. So select keyframes, make easies or click F9 and go to graph editor, select this last keyframe, move to left and select first keyframes, move to left. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes, select last keyframes and move to right. So in this time select these layers, move to right. Let's see. Okay, move to left a little bit. Okay, nice. So in this time select this head layer and go to solo and select this pen behind icon and move the anchor point here for rotate animation. Click selection tool and unsolo and go to here. Let's press R, open rotation, make new rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. We had 2 ways for go to keyframes. First, hold shift and press page down for go to 10 keyframes, or let me show other way. Go to time duration and write +10 and click OK for go to 10 keyframes and change rotation like this. Go 10 keyframes again, change for bounce animation. Okay, so select keyframes, make easies and select work area. Nice. And select keyframes, go to graph editor and select this first graph, make like this. Okay, and select this keyframes. Okay, not bad. So back to keyframes, and in this time as you can see here, object, and let's press P, make new passing keyframe, hold shift press S, make scale keyframe and hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe and go to some keyframes and change rotation and change scale and move it up like this. Select keyframes, make easies and go to graph editor, select these graphs, make smooth. Okay, back to keyframes, and right now let's create null object for fake camera movements. Right mouse, new and null object. Hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move anchor point in center. Click Selection tool and select this layer, link to null object, and select this background and grid, link to also null object, and select red layer, link to null one, and select this null one. Let's see. Okay, and this time let's press P, make new path in keyframe, and go to here. Let's move it up. Okay, and select this object, move to center. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select this null object keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor, and select this graph, change graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes, select keyframes, move to right for more slot animation. Okay, let's move to right. Nice, and go to here. Let's change rotation like this. And go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation. Again 10 keyframe, chain rotation, and again, and again. Okay, not bad. Select these rotation keyframes, move to the left. Okay, I like it. So in this time, select this background layer and go to FX presses, search effect reptile, and select this CC reptile. Let's use for background solid layer and change expand up, and select this grid. Also use reptile for grid and change expand up. Okay, let's see. Nice, and let's change expand up more, and for background. Okay, so select this red layer, let's Ctrl D and move to right, press U. Let's select these two paths in keyframes, delete, and move to up. Change scale, and let's go to align, click for move to center. And let's move to up here. Okay, so go to fill, change color green, or let's try blue. Okay, very nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.